Hi friends, you wanna look pretty and beautiful in a variety of clothing, but something prevents you, something stops you from wearing sleeveless tops, beautiful mini skirts or even swimsuit. That is the zebra-like stripes, also called stretch marks. Stretch marks occur due to sudden change in the shape of skin, mainly due to rapid weight loss or rapid weight gain, puberty and pregnancy. This one remedy helps to fade them, minimize them and get rid of them quickly. For this we need brown crystal sugar. You can also use regular sugar, but ensure it is crystals like this. In a glass bowl, add 2 tablespoons of this sugar. We need vitamin E oil. Add half teaspoon of vitamin E oil to this. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also use almond oil for this purpose. Just mix everything until it forms a thick consistency. When you touch it, you will feel like a wet beach sand. Now take this mix with you to the bathroom. Before taking bath, scrub the mixture on the part of your body where the stretch marks are. Gently massage in circular motion for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that, take bath normally. After completing your bath, use derma roller to gently roll on the skin for 5 minutes and apply this cream. This is a retinol cream. Retinols are derivatives of vitamin A that can effectively fade stretch marks gradually and make them disappear. Gently massage this cream on stretch marks. That's all. Do these 2 things daily and this will work like a magic in fading away the stretch marks and removing them gradually. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.